Hi, Terry Brown here. Thanks so much for taking a few moments to check out this video. And I've got a free video that I want you to check out that introduces this wonderful money-making list building system. Okay, so check out the free video, and we've got this brand new viral list building system to share with you. List Infinity just keeps getting better and better. Okay. Okay, well, the system pays you 100% commissions, and with this program you're able to get paid daily, and you get paid to the payment processor that you choose. You can use PayPal, you can use Venmo, you can use Cash App, you can use Bitcoin, okay, and Zelle, and basically any payment processor that you have, you can use with this system. And you can put this step-by-step fail-proof system, put it to work for you. Okay, and how do you do that? You simply just share this information with other people. Okay, there's only a one-time out-of-pocket payment to get started. Okay, and you can get started at the starter level, which is $25 plus $10 for admin, or $35. And you can get started at the pro level, and that's where I am, and I got started for $100 and $30 to admin. Okay, and that's just one time out of pocket. There's no monthly fee, there's no auto ship or anything like that. One time out of pocket, and then you can make those payments over and over and over again. Okay, and it's really this easy. All right, you just share this opportunity. So grab the link in the description area of this video, okay, and get started today. And make sure that you take a look at the video that we're talking about in this video. All right, but there you have it. I'm Terry Brown, and I'm wishing you a blessed and wonderful, magnificent day today. Bye-bye now.